In this video, I want to explain really how I think about your social media marketing and why you should not worry about what happens on day one, week one. It doesn't matter. You just have to stick with good practice principles, keep improving over time. But I want to tell you about this, what I call the network of your social networks.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
And it's going to make everything fall into place, and it's going to help you relax about your social media growth because it's going to clarify how it's all going to start slow but become a snowball effect long term. And by the way, this can happen for any niche, any brand, as long as you have some kind of brand or some kind of topic in which you're trying to get known or you're trying to promote. As long as you stay on point across your social networks, this will work. So what happens? You have to post links to your other social medias on all your other social medias. For example, if I'm on YouTube, right, like if I'm doing music or business videos, I'm going to put a link to my TikTok in every video. I'm going to mention, hey, follow me on TikTok maybe in some of the videos, and I'm going to put a link to TikTok in the About page or wherever they have external link to your additional resources. And of course, from TikTok, I'm promoting my YouTube, right? So I'm cross-promoting, so I'm cross-pollinating people. So in the beginning, maybe you'll have like no followers, but at the same time, one follower from YouTube might become a follower on TikTok and vice versa. So now you've got that follower everywhere and it's bulking up your numbers, and this person can reshare your next TikTok video, reshare your next YouTube video, like, comment. And the more of these people you get, first of all, you get more brand engagement across more social networks, which means you're going to build super fans faster. You're going to make sales faster because people are going to engage with you more. They're going to get more touch points with your brand. But also specifically for your social media growth, cross-pollinating your followers is one such way to speed it up, right? Because you're not just promoting on TikTok, you're sending people to TikTok from your YouTube and maybe from Facebook, from Twitter, from your Instagram, because all of those work in that very same reciprocal way. On TikTok, you'll make it known that you're also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on and so on. And maybe you have a blog. So then, of course, in your blog post, you'll say, follow me on TikTok. And in your TikTok, you'll make it known, hey, I got all these things, the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, blog. And so you'll just cross-pollinate your followers and keep them inside your ecosystem. And for me, I also happen to have this, course. And so, of course, I'm going to mention it in the course, and hopefully that is going to help me get some growth on all of these, right? My YouTube, everywhere. And that's unique, right? So YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, those are not unique. Everybody has those. Then there's something that's unique to you. Maybe you have online courses. Maybe you have, like in my case, I've got some mobile apps where I may or may not, I haven't decided if I'm going to post links to my TikTok. I just haven't decided. I may. But I have those options because I kind of built up a lot of platforms over time. If you just something as simple as have a signature in your email, whenever you send a new email to a new person, they'll see your signature and it'll be on TikTok at so-and-so. So you have many places where you can get visibility for your TikTok or social media accounts. It's just a matter of posting it everywhere and having them cross-pollinate. And as each one grows, it will help all the other social networks grow. And as those social networks grow, they'll help the TikTok grow even faster, and it will exponentially help to grow each other. Although keep in mind, in the beginning, it is hard because if you're starting out with zeros across the board, that's where it's hard. You have to just, get pity follows, right? Asking people, follow me, and they don't really care about your content, but they're, they have pity on you. So that's kind of my joke. I call it a pity follow. So that's why I'm not at all worried about, am I going to get 5 followers now? Am I going to get 10? They're going to happen in a semi-automated fashion so that long term, it's all going to grow. And I'm not concerned in the short term, because worrying about what's going to happen in the short term, like you saw in my videos, I only have like 2 followers now, and somebody else can be like, oh my God, I'm failing. And I'm like, I don't care. I know that if it stays important for me, I'm going to make it grow. Maybe it's not as fast as I would love. I would love to have 1 billion followers or 1 million followers, of course. But then there's reality. And then there's the fact that it's not my highest priority anyway. So given all this kind of a cross-pollination of your social networks, that's your real key to calmly grow in a reasonable fashion, not over stress out, and put more focus on improving the quality of your posts, which I'm also doing myself. I'm trying to figure that out, and not wasting time worrying about why am I not getting followers today.